Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explore how you can use Microsoft AI to explore how you can use Microsoft AI Designer to create eye-catching and professional graphics with ease. Designing visuals for social media presentations, marketing, or branding often requires time and design skills, but Microsoft AI Designer simplifies the entire process using artificial intelligence. In this video, I will show you step by step how to use Microsoft AI Designer to generate graphic designs, customize layout, choose color and fonts, and create visually appealing content in just a few clicks. So right now we are at the website designer.microsoft.com. So the interface of this website is very user friendly. So you can see there are a lot of things like you can create with AI, you can edit with AI. Okay, it's up to you. Like there are a lot of things. I already made templates available. But if you want to design from scratch, so we will select design from scratch. Okay, and here you can select the type for which you are going to create a graphic. So let's suppose we are going to create it for a social media Instagram post. Okay, so it will now take us to the editor dashboard, and where you can do each and everything from the scratch. Like you can edit your canvas, you can resize, you can add text and images. But for now in this section we are going to use templates here. Okay, so let's suppose we are going to choose this template and let's select continue. As you can see that it has added our template, but if you want to do more changes, like you want to add more illustrations or the icons, you can just simply click on that. Let's suppose we want to add this, and as you can see that it has been added. Now you can resize it as you want. Okay, so I have put it here. Like here you can see, here you can add the text as well. Okay, you just double tap on the text and it will be editable then. Okay, as you can see the, so let me reselect again. I think it's an whole image, so that's why it's not editable right now. But you can do adjustment or enhance. But if you want to add your own text, you just simply click on the text, and here you will also see text templates. It's loading right now. Let's wait for a few seconds. Or you can also select add text, and it will add a text, and then you can write whatever you want to write. Okay. So as you can see that it has added a text, but if you don't want to use this text, you can simply remove this text like this. And you can also go for the multiple text templates which are available in this section. So that's how basically you can use Microsoft AI Designer for creating eye-catching graphics, and you can also use the ready-made templates. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.